These type of questions, don't waste your time too much on this. So essentially it's just using your calculator. 12C9. 12C9 is 220. 12C8 is 495. And does that equal 13C9? Let's find out. $715. Do they equal each other? Yeah, they do. Happy days. Is that alright? The next one is just 8 times whatever 10C2 is multiplied by 3 times whatever 10C3 is. Are they equal to each other or are they not? It's easy stuff. Alright, regards to homework last night, is there any questions you'd like done from 5 up to, I think it was 11 or 12? Ben? 11. Anything earlier than 11? 7, 9 and 11? Okay, done. Right, so we're going to go for 7, 9 and 11. So just get rid of this. Done. Alright, from a pack of 52 cards, how many different hands of 3 cards can be selected? So please remember, King, let's say King of Hearts, Queen of Hearts and Jack of Hearts. That's considered the same choice as Jack, Queen, King. Do you get what I'm saying? The permutations don't matter, so we have to take that out of consideration. So I think many of you would you consider 2 choices. You'd get mixed up in the exam. You go, is it 52C tree or is it 52P tree? Which one is it? And the option is always the smaller answer is always the correct answer. Okay? Sorry, is this question 7, is it? Yeah. The smaller option is always the better option, and you'll find out that 52C3 is the smaller option, which is still 22,100. This option here will be insanely high, and it's not the right answer. Okay? Next part. So that is the answer to part 1, which is this part here. Now we're on to part 2, which is this question here. How many different hands of 3 spades can be chosen from 52 cards? Well, how many spades are there? Huh? 13. And how many, what is a hand for this game? 3 cards, isn't it? So 13C3. Anybody? 286. We all good? Okay, let's keep going. Now, we're on to question 9 now. Okay, question 9. In how many ways can a committee of 6 persons be chosen from 5 men and 4 women if each committee is to consist of 3 men and 3 women? Okay, 6 persons to be chosen from 5 men and 4 women. Alright. 5 men choose how many? 3. And means multiply. 4 women choose 3. And your answer is 40 ways. We all good with that? Okay. Let's move on to question 11. So what have I done so far? 2, 7, 9 and 11 we're hoping. Alright. How many subsets? Does everybody remember what a subset is? Jammer sets back in the day? You'd have a letter like this. Alright. And it'd be A, B, C, D, E. Alright. I teach subsets basically like a fried egg, because I'm fat and hungry all the time. But anyways, so essentially that's your fried egg, alright? And doesn't matter where the fried egg yolk is, that basically is a subset. If it has a letter inside it, it's a subset. If it's absolutely massive, it's still a subset. Alright? So look, I should probably make that hollow again, just to hit the point home here. right? So whatever is contained in it is a subset. Subset can have that many letters in it. Subset can actually have all the letters in it, or the subset can have nothing in it. A null set is also a subset. Everybody revise on that now? Okay, awesome. Fried eggs, lads. Alright? Works. In the yolk. Alright? Now, each subset contains one vowel and two consonants. Alright, this is going to be great. One vowel and two consonants. Alright, how many vowels do we have? Who should I ask this? Charlie, how many vowels do we have? Two vowels, alright? So, two vowels choose one. Multiply by. How many consonants do we have? We have 4 consonants, and how many do we need to choose? 2. And what do we get as our answer there? 12. We all good? Okay. Each subset contains at least one vowel. You have to have one vowel. So what does that mean? So we have the answer, we already have the answer for one vowel, don't we? So one vowel is what answer? Is 12. Now we have to find out what happens if we have two vowels. So what's the answer for two vowels? Two vowels to choose from. Choose 2 of them. 4 consonants to choose from. Only choose 1 of them. And we get an answer of... Do we get the same answer? What's 4C1? I think I got this one wrong actually. 4. Ew. Alright, give me a sec. I just did it different than the solutions as well. So would that be happy with 4 there? Alright, and then 12 plus 4 is 16. Does anybody know a different way of doing it? There's a different way of doing it as well. It's actually considered the better method as well. The second way of doing it. Why don't you do all the combinations, take away all the combinations, take away consonants only. Now, if there was no restrictions, how many letters do you have again? How many letters is there? 6. What's 6 choose 3? What? 20, is it? And what would consonants only be? 4 consonants choose 3 is? 4. 20 take away 4? 16. So that's all the combinations, take away the combinations that have all consonants. Therefore, what's left over must at least have one vowel or 2 vowels. Is that alright? Okay guys, anything else as far as you got, was it?